One prompt, whole video. I typed one sentence and this is what I got. The presenter, the graphics, the captions, the music, everything you see in this video. Most people don't skip making videos because they're out of ideas. They skip it because making one means setting up a camera, getting in front of it, finding all the extra footage, and then sitting there, editing the whole thing together. That's the part that kills it. And I'm not saying this as someone who can't film. I've got over $6,000 worth of camera gear. And trust me, the camera was never the hard part. Everything after the camera was. So if you're camera shy, or you're fitting this in around your full-time job, or you just want to move faster than your editing setup lets you, this is the one to watch. That's HeyGen's video agent, and that one idea is the whole thing. You open it, you tell it what you want to talk about, and the finished video comes back. Nothing to learn, nothing to set up, and it costs nothing to try. I've personally been using an AI avatar from HeyGen for about 2 years now, and it's the reason why I gained just over 19,000 followers in a 30-day span. So this video being sponsored by them was an easy yes, and you're getting an honest opinion the whole way, including what it can't do yet. And before you go any further, I actually want you doing this with me instead of just watching me do it. So go open HeyGen, the link is in the description, it's also pinned in the comments. You can get started for free and you don't even need a card. So there's literally nothing to lose by having it open in another tab. And here's a quick spoiler alert, the prompt I use later in this video is sitting in that same pinned comment. So go grab it now and just build along with me. So now you got it open, let's talk about what you're actually looking at. Because the thing that surprised me most about this tool is how little there is to it. So here we are on the HeyGen website, and simply just go to create video, and this big box right here is what we will be working with. The way it works is you type what you want your video to be about, and it goes and builds videos for you. Yes, it is that easy. It handles the script, the voiceover, the visuals, the captions, even the music. The easiest way to think about it is as a machine. Your idea goes in one end and a finished video comes out the other end, and you never have to know anything about what happens in the middle. And that's the part I really want you to sit with, because there's nothing here for you to learn. You're not hunting for a setting you've never used before, and there's no new button to figure out. You're telling it what you want to talk about, the same way you'd explain to somebody sitting across from you. But me telling you it builds the whole video isn't the same as you watching it happen. So let's actually do it. And there's one thing in what comes back I really want you to look out for. So I gave it one prompt and we're gonna check out what it created. This is gonna be my first time watching this live.
Stop! If you're a new freelancer, you're making 3 catastrophic mistakes that are killing your career. Most freelancers fail within their first year because they ignore these killers. Let's break them down. Mistake number 1, undercharging. You think low prices win jobs? Wrong. Price competition is a race to the bottom. Charge for value, not hours. Mistake number 2, being a generalist. If you try to speak to everyone, you're heard by no one. Specific problems pay premium prices. Find your niche and own it. Mistake number 3, having no sales funnel. You're just waiting for work to find you. Check the stats. 80% of freelancers without a lead gen system quit within 18 months. Build a system that brings clients to you. Don't let these mistakes kill your career. Follow for more tips on how to scale your freelance business to 6 figures.
You've got words popping right on the beat, a chart that grows while the numbers climb, and there's overall a good amount of animations that's built in it that I never touched. Now here's the part I really want you to catch, because it's the part almost everybody misses when they see one of these. None of that came off a shelf. It didn't go into a template folder and pull out a chart animation that 1,000 other people are already using. It built that chart just for this video, simply because I asked for it with the sentence that I typed. Think about it like ordering a suit. A template is buying off a rack and hoping it fits close enough, and this is getting measured. Same suit, completely different fit, and the only real difference is that one of them was made for your body. And here's the proof. This is another one I made off a completely different prompt. And look at it, different visuals, different pacing, different everything. If these came out of a template library, they'd be twins. So if you can describe it, you can build it. And that goes for the person on camera too. You can pick one of their ready-made presenters, or let the AI choose one, or you can make a digital twin of yourself from a short recording. And then it delivers your script with your face and your voice. So if the thing that's been stopping you is having to get in front of a camera at all, right here is where that stops being a requirement. But I'm not gonna sit here and act like it's perfect, because it isn't. So before you go build anything, let me tell you what to expect, because I'd rather you hear it from me than find it out on your own. So it's not perfect. A couple things landed too close to the edges. For example, my text hook got cut off and the subtitle sat low enough that Instagram and TikTok would have just covered them with their buttons. But I've spent hours editing 60-second videos before. I will gladly drag 2 things back into place instead. That's all it was, about a minute inside their editor. and the length is a target, not a rule. I asked for 60 and got 47, which is honestly better anyway. But knowing what a tool can do is useless if you sit down in front of it and have no idea what to type. So let's fix it now. Here's the thing I want you to walk away with. A complete video is as simple as a prompt. And you don't have to sit there figuring out what to type because I already gave you mine. It's the same one I use at the top of this video and it's sitting in the description pinned in the comments. The whole thing is just a number, a niche, and whatever you want moving on your screen. Mine was 3 catastrophic mistakes killing new freelancers with pop-up captions and an animated chart. Swap freelancers for whatever you want to actually talk about and change the rest however you want. Just keep the captions and the chart because that's the part that's doing the heavy lifting for you. So that's it, a complete video from one prompt and you never had to pick up a camera. You can get started for free and there's no card needed to try it. So try it free with the link in the description and the starter prompt is pinned in the comments. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Until next time.